All right, so today I wanted to share this finger exercise with everyone. I've been doing it for the past 30 minutes. As you can see, all my veins on my hands are standing. Okay, all my muscles are tired right now. I can physically feel the muscle tightness in my hands. I just did this exercise for about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm not going to pause this. I'm not going to pause this video too much today. I'm not going to cut it, you know, just to make it more personal with you guys. I don't want to make this channel to be so formal, okay? I want it to be relaxed. I want to socialize and practice bass with you guys. So I'm gonna try not to cut the video at all. So let's hope I can keep everything, together. So this exercise, first of all, I'm gonna play it so you can hear how it sounds. It's not like the other exercises where you just do. It's not like that at all. This one is melodic because we actually use the pentatonics in this one. So I'll play it first, and then I will teach you how to play it. Remember, you always want to play with your metronome. Okay, so that's how it's played. So I'm gonna teach you how to play it. Okay, I'm doing it right now in the key of A minor, A major rather. So A, this is C right here, and this is A. Okay, and I'm playing. Write this down, please. I'm playing 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, it's inversion. So I'm not playing it like this. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, but instead of playing this 3 right here, I play the 3 here. So it's the inversion. You see? 1, 3, 5. And then you're gonna play 1, 3, 5. So this middle finger play these 2 notes. You see? So you're gonna bar. You're not gonna do this. You're not gonna put the tip of your finger on it. You're gonna put the flat part of your finger. Okay? So sorry, I made a mistake. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, so you're gonna play 4 notes at a time. Okay? 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And then after you play that, you're gonna come back to 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1. So that's the finger exercise right there. Okay, I'm gonna play with the metronome now. And also, when you play it, you can go up and down just to challenge yourself. Okay, play it in the middle, play it up here as well, and then play it down here. It doesn't matter the key, just play the same shapes. So let me put the metronome back on, and I'll play it slowly. Remember, practice very slowly. Practice slowly, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Do it slowly, and then slowly build up your speed over weeks. Don't do it in one day. I made a mistake. You see how I jumped? So I came from here down here. When it's too far, you don't have to stretch your hand like this. My hand can't even reach, okay? Even if I stretch it, I cannot reach. Which is why when you have to come down here, you jump. You see? 1, 3, 5. But make sure you play the 5 with your middle finger, the 5 and the 1. 5, 1. Okay? And with this hand, you make sure you alternate your fingers. Do not play one at the same time. Alternate it. So that's the finger exercise. Practice and post videos of you practicing, or send videos in a group chat of you practicing. Okay? See ya.